Hello, welcome to the next episode from Johor Bahru. It is a town located in Malaysia where I will spend the next few days. The bus didn't come because he had a flat tire. And it was getting dark, so I decided to take an Uber. As I said before, it takes an hour by bus from the airport to downtown Johor Bahru. While my capsule hotel is halfway between the airport and the city. For a 20-minute trip I paid 20 mer. It should be noted here that 1 mer is 25 US cents. So 20 mer is $5 US. As you can see in the video, we're approaching some larger buildings, so we'll probably be there soon. Unfortunately, it was raining terribly during the trip, and when we got to the place, it was pouring mercilessly. I would like to draw your attention to the signs that are above the shops in this place. You certainly know these brands, but the sun-faded colors add a retro flavor. Okay, we've arrived, so it's time to check into this modern futuristic capsule hostel. You have to leave your shoes at the entrance. We are in a capsule hostel. As you can see, it makes an interesting impression. Each capsule is highlighted if someone lives in it. There are also lockers available, because there is little space inside, but as you can see they are damaged and you can't really use them. According to the regulations, you can't drink or eat in the capsule, which in my opinion is illegal. As you can see, the door seems to be closed. Unfortunately, these are only appearances. I think there should be a security and a magnetic lock here. In these capsules it did not work or was not mounted at all. Inside, gorgeous futuristic hardware and beautiful blue lighting. That gives you a headache after 15 minutes. What we have here. Options and functions. As you can see, you can't eat and drink. It's probably illegal. You must be quiet. Free Wi-Fi. You cannot smoke. But who would want to smoke in such a small room? If you want to read, then press this button. But how to read in such a blue light? Wait. This is dark blue. When you want to read, press this button to turn on the light. Here is the controls. The fan. Because you can't call it air conditioning. There are 2 modes. Off, light, strong. Here it turns on do not disturb mode, but nothing happens when I turn it on. Blue light turn on. Here the backlight of the mirror. Here we have 2 USB ports. But only one ace are useless. There is also a headphone plug here, but I don't know what for. Here is a normal socket. You notice that everything is low quality. Its glory days are long behind it. This room is not soundproof at all. And you have to listen to everything around you. Okay, let's go see break rooms available to everyone. We have a small table and 2 chairs here. We also have a large TV and PlayStation 5. To play because I saw someone play there. And here we have such a kitchen corner. There is a coffee maker, there is a toaster, we have some coffees and a water heater. Here we have a small fridge. And teddy bear. Let's go see outside. I'm in Johor Bahru. Or some suburb of this city. I like it. Everything is kinda Korean. Korean or Chinese, I can't tell the difference, but there are. They're strange letters. I thought there was a park there. But I don't know, maybe a river. I've been to this Korean store.
Hello. Hello, how are you?
Probably Korean though. Because everybody all look different. As if they were from those areas. It's as hot here as in Thailand. See how many green trees there are? So I thought that would be a park there. But probably not, it's just a river and a wilderness. But I can't see the entrance to this wilderness. Okay, let's go back. There are a lot of strange shops, so maybe I'll go to one and record something. You see some Chinese words here. Here's the address if anyone wants it. Look. There are some Japanese or Chinese or Korean words. It's probably a restaurant. There are different clinics as far as I know. I don't know if it shows in the video, but all the colors seem faded. Maybe it's because of the climate. Unfortunately, the traffic is just as unbearable as in Thailand. But we're going nuts as usual. Here is Mr. Crab. But watch this. I think they wanted to copy the logo from 7-Eleven, because it's quite similar. I'd have to drink the coffee I bought while it's cold, but there is nowhere to sit. Okay, there is a bench while I have it still cold. I haven't told you yet. In that Korean store, maybe because they saw me recording, I got one for free. Let's see if it's tasty. I had to record this part twice. I hope you like such walks around towns. But if it's boring, write in a comment please. I usually try to leave as many such walks as possible, because then the viewer has the impression that he is really there. Here we have a store with audio-video equipment and computer games, but we will talk about it in the next episode. Here is an amazing place. I've never seen a store like this before. But inside it's full of different games, lottery machines and all sorts of weird things that I'll talk about in the next episode. Thank you for watching until the end and I invite you to the next videos. If you have a moment of time, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See ya.